Hello, I'm Brian Mastro from the Penn State Campus Weather Service here with your forecast for the State College area. Right now, we'll take a look at the weather headlines that we're tracking for the next couple of days. Right now, we have rain, and then we're going to have even more rain. We're also tracking a flood threat for many parts of the eastern portion of Pennsylvania, especially in the southeastern area of the state. And when are we going to see the sun? It's raining today, we might see even more rain tomorrow, and then it's going to be mostly cloudy for the next few days after that. We might go a long time without seeing the sun at all. We're going to take a look at a time-lapse from this morning of Mount Nittany of the rain moving through, and even the camera at the end gets included with the rain. And then we'll take the live look. As you see, as I mentioned, rain even on the camera as well. Right now we are looking at a temperature of 46 degrees with rain, and it feels like a 44, and the wind is currently coming from the east at 6 miles per hour. However, it is gusting even higher than that. Here are the temperatures around the center region. We have 49 in Williamsport and Selinsgrove, and in Beech Creek as well. We have 46 in Boalsburg and 45 over in DuBois. And as we zoom out to look at the entire Commonwealth, we have 50 down in Philly, 46 right here in State College, 52 in Pittsburgh, and 52 up in Erie as well. And as we take a look at what's going on right now, we have this high pressure over southeastern Canada that's blowing the air onshore, giving us that east wind. And usually in State College, when we have an east wind, that means rain. And lo and behold, we have rain. We also have this low pressure system that is currently over the Great Lakes area. This low pressure system is moving very slowly. In fact, it won't even be fully out to sea until Monday, maybe even Tuesday. And that's what's bringing us this heavy rain throughout the day today. And then it pushes eastward. However, as you see over here, it didn't move much. So the low is going to be lingering around for a few days, which is what's going to be bringing us the threat of rain for the next few days as well, in addition to today. And for tomorrow, we're expecting a few showers. Not as bad as today. They should only be lingering around in the morning and then clearing up as the day goes on, but likely won't see the sun tomorrow. It'll be mostly cloudy for much of the day. And here's our current radar. We have showers moving across almost the entire state. We have very heavy showers down in southeastern Pennsylvania, which is what's causing that flood threat that I mentioned earlier. And then we have this rain that's moving this way, and that's what's bringing us the rain here in State College. Then here's our eye on the future. We had those heavy showers moving through southeastern Pennsylvania that's bringing the flood threat. And then we have another line of strong showers moving through Pennsylvania as well. And then as the day goes on Thursday, it is going to clear up somewhat as the showers become more scattered and nowhere near as intense as they will be today. And then, speaking of the eye on the future, here's how much rain we're actually expecting over the next couple of days. Here in State College, 1.5 inches of rain, and that's on top of what we've already gotten today and last night as well. 2.1 inches in Williamsport and in Scranton as well, and then over 1.5 inches in Harrisburg and nearly 1.5 inches in Philly as well. Much of the Commonwealth is going to see 1 inch of rain or close to 1 inch of rain in the case of Pittsburgh and Erie. And then I mentioned that flood threat. Currently there are flood warnings up for Lancaster County and York County as well, and then there are flood watches posted for much of the eastern half of the state as well, including Philadelphia, Harrisburg, Allentown, and Scranton. And then here's your forecast. For today, we are expecting a high of about 58 degrees, and it is going to be raining throughout the entire day almost. The rain will be heavy at times as well, so make sure you're prepared for that. You don't want to be out there caught in a downpour. And the winds are going to be coming from the east at about 5 to 10 miles per hour and then gusting to about 15 to 20. And then for tomorrow, there's going to be lingering showers in the morning. We will get into the 60s tomorrow. However, we likely will not be seeing the sun. It will be mostly cloudy throughout much of the day. And the winds are going to pick up a little bit. We're expecting winds from about 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 20 to 25 miles per hour. And then we're going to take a look at your 7-day forecast. We have rain today and rain tomorrow, and we'll be in the mid-60s, low to mid-60s for much of the weekend. And then it's going to be mostly cloudy on Friday, and we might even see more rain on Saturday. And then Sunday we might finally see the sun. It will be mostly cloudy, however, it might peek through for a little bit. But if not on Sunday, then you'll definitely at least see the sun on Monday and Tuesday when we're expecting more partly cloudy conditions. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in.